Alright, so I'm going to show you some of my settings that I use for my low light or indoor or CQB airsoft gameplay. So if you're looking right now, my aspect ratio is 16:9. I'm using resolution 2.7K. And there's a reason why I did that for this gameplay. I wanted the linear mode. And if you see that if I switch it to 4K, I cannot use the linear mode in there. So I was using 2.7 because I wanted to use the field of view of linear. Doing this, so I have video stabilization, and next you have the for low light. Now I want you to also notice that when I have low light, if I change my frames per second to 30, my low light option goes away. If you go to 120, you still do not have the low light. So when you want to have the low light setting, you need to be at 60 frames per second. Going down, I have Pro Tune, Shutter. My AV comp is -1. My ISO limit minimum is 100. One of the things I want to mess around with is here I have my ISO limit 1600. I don't want to go any higher because it's going to soak in too much light and it'll disorient your picture. One of the things I want to try next time when I go, I want to do 800, 400. I've been watching some videos of saying just doing 100, 100. I would do that when I'm outside. If I'm outside, I wouldn't go higher than 400. But for this video, I was at 1600. I did white balance 6500K. If I'm going to do it again, I'm going to go to auto. I'm going to try that. Sharpness I have low because I wanted to use it, be able to color grade, add it later. Color is flat. Some of my other settings I've turned off a lot just to save my batteries. My LED lights I turned off. That way, especially the front, so I don't have a red blinking light to give my position away. Brightness I turned down because you don't see the back during gameplay anyways. So I have that down to 10%. And I've turned off everything else. So this is what I normally run, that I have done, and some of the things I want to try next time. So in the video, the first gameplay is when the lights are turned on. The second half is when they do the low light setting. And I try to show me run around most of the map to get dark areas, light areas. The video I'm going to show has no color grading or touch-ups whatsoever, so it's the raw footage that was used.
Yep. Careful.
John, don't die.
How far are they? Bang bang! Bang bang!
What happened? Good man.
Bang bang! Bang bang! Good job. Nice job. Bang bang!
Good shit, dude. Hey, good job, good job. Hey, can you just shout really quick for your team to push up? Or when you die, just go back and yell at them. Because it's getting kind of boring.
I know.
Because I think me and him did one really good push.
Hey, our... Bang bang!
Good kill. Get him walking! Get him walking! That's it! Get him walking!
Ah, crap!
Somebody shot me! Nice try.
Someone count me in.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, everybody, let's go. That kid right there.
People get lit up.
So, careful. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. You got me. No, you got me first. Bang, bang. Dude, I've ran all the way over there. I was like, get out of here.
Good man, good man.
Sorry. Oh yeah! Woo! Nice job, you guys. Oh, you got me, you got me. Nice job. Bang, bang. All right, parlay. Go 10 feet. I'll go 10 feet. Bang, bang. We were parlaying. I'll go respawn. You're good.
If you're dead or not.
No, I'll take it. You had me.